Alright, so we're back with another video, back with NRC. So we have a whole bunch of people. This guy has to go home because he forgot his keys. House keys. He has his car keys. But we're just going to be cruising with these three today. So let's take a closer look at some of these cars. So you got the carbon fiber on the Mercedes C200. That looks so nice. You got QT Jess's Rocket Bunny. This beautiful blue. Ultra wide. Look at that. And then you got Chris's Mustang, OKC, which is what I'll be getting a ride in today. Super nice. Away? Wait, is he coming with us?
Nope. He's going to Hamilton.
L. He sucks. His car's dirty as well. I can't talk. Oh god. I can't talk. I don't even have a car.
I changed my lighting, to be honest. Color. Make it purple.
Caught up to them, kind of, if we can see all of them, which we can't. But Jess is further up there somewhere. It's a Mercedes. I have no idea who this guy is, but he's got a cool plate.
Oh, they're all the way up there.
Oh.
I think they're so far ahead.
We're about to go past the ambulance right there. Yo, we're just... Ooh.
Look at that, that looks sick. Look at that. Yeah. Man.
Yeah, that 86 just joined us. He's like, you know what?
I think I'm straight.
Aw, goodbye.
It was the goodbye sound.
Yo, what's good?
Filming me while I'm filming you.
Yeah.
Fuck, it's in our space to like keep it.
So I pulled up to the McDonald's, eh?
Car's just gone.
Shoo. The lighting's so nice as well. Like, dude. Yo, go get the Macca's order, eh? Got that 20 pack. This is all for me.
What are you doing?
Vlogging this. What do you think? $180 shirt. Why?
You know how much this was?
Cheaper than your shirt?
20 bucks.
Huh?
20 bucks.
Exactly, cheaper than your shirt, bro.
Dude, the photos down here look amazing.
Jesus, man, that's just unnecessary at that point. But with all the leaves as well. Oh my god, that is...
This is a main photo location. Like park it under the trees there.
Yo.
It's gonna be the next NRC spot.
From here, pain in the ass for me to get out here. Oh, but we got the entire fleet here, the intimidating cruise. We got QT Jess, we got that Merc, and we got Chris.
Yeah, so we're just gonna go back up there.
Yo.
Yeah.
So I've just gotten done taking photos. So yeah, in like a really good spot under the trees and everything. Looks so nice. Gonna be able to drive this just up there though, very slowly, very carefully. This is nerve-wracking, guys. Oh my god, bro, that was the scariest shit I think I've ever done. Actually no, that's a lie, I've done scarier shit, but I just drove that all the way down that road. Holy crap. What are your thoughts on my driving? What are your thoughts on my driving?
Huh? We didn't see.
Ah. Chris, we're gonna have to do it again. They didn't see. Gonna be intimidating, guys. We are now on our way to Albany. We got the Mercedes with the camera on it, so we can get rollers.
Tell them we should get them to pull over at some point, eh?
Yeah.
So we can do rear shot.
This is a beautiful spot. Just keep it on for now.
Yeah.
It is a beautiful spot. So sad that you're not gonna... Oh. I'm talking to myself to get it to take the shoulder. Yep. Perfect sense. We got some mean shots at the gas station. And now we're gonna go find the blue 86 because he just took off. Oh, I can see him. So we're in Albany right now. It's QT Jizz. The Mustang and the Merc are gone, but Chris is still here. And that's because they're both being driven by different people now, which is cool. I got to drive the Merc. That was awesome. Just give. Is Jimmy driving the Merc?
I think so, yeah.
Okay. Alright, so we're on our way. We're on our way to Bastion right now. Oh, sorry, no, we're going to Key Street A. We're in the Mustang again, of course.